Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can send the message on LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to our LinkedIn profile, and after that, as you can see, you will be able to get a lot of profiles here. You can see that. Now, if you want to send a message to anyone, simply what you have to do, you have to open the profile of his or her. For example, I'm going to open her profile. So let's click on this. And now as you can see, you have to scroll down. You will be able to see the details of the profile here, like the post, comments, videos, and images. Every option is provided here. Now simply we have to click on the message option here. So we have to click on the message. And after clicking on the message option, you have to write whatever you want. As you can see, the subject is provided here. You have to write the subject here. And then you have to write the whole message here. And after doing that, simply you have to click on the send and the message will be sent. For example, I'm going to write the simple message here. Let me show you. So as you can see, I written the introduction here, and now simply I have written hi here. Let's click on this option and the message will be sent. So in this way, you can send the message on the LinkedIn. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.